Hello friends, this is me Nadeem Abbas from Pakistan. I am the student of Huachong University of Science and Technology. If you want to take information about scholarship, Chinese government scholarship, or about one bed, one road scholarship, or any other scholarship, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Irfan, our friend, he requested me from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mushir Rahman from Bangladesh. Now I am studying in Northeastern University and doing masters in software engineering major. I am new here. I got CSC scholarship this year. So when I was preparing for all the papers and how to apply in CSC website and how to find out the professor list and professor their profile in website. So I was in tenth. That time I found a YouTube channel on YouTube, CSC Guide Scholarship. This channel is helped me a lot to prepare my papers, to fill my CSC application form and get the professor list from the universities. So I hope who are interested to study in China, they can watch the videos on CSC Guide Scholarship YouTube channel, and all the best for them who are interested in China.